everyone, welcome to another video here. Please, today we are going to be doing something different. We're going to be learning the chorus of What Was I Made For from the motion picture Barbie, written and sung by Billie Eilish. The key for this is C major, and we're going to have so far a C major, E minor and F major 7. The root position of this chorus are this, then this, and then this. But if we use this voice in here, it makes it easier to locate and play, especially because the F major chord has an E here, the major 7th here. So we're going to do C, G, C, and E. Then we're going to move the left hand to E. You can double the octave or just play single note. I believe the lower you play, the fuller it sounds. And then you're going to have E minor with G, B, and E, and then F major 7. We're going to have F, A, C, and the major 7 here. This is a common note. It works very well with all three chords. It is into C, into E, and in this, that's the 7 of F major.
I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now.
And here we're going to change what I was made for. So A minor, so A, C, and E. And then we go back to the E minor, same voicing that we did before, and then the F major with the 7.
What was I made for? Taking a drive.
Back to the beginning.
I was an ideal. I don't know how to feel.
Here, made for. Then you have transition through E minor to D minor, and you will have a typical 2-5-1. It's a very common chord progression. So if we are in C major, you go to the second degree, which is D minor, D, F, A, and D. Then you're going to go to the fifth, which is G major, so G, G, B, and D. And then you're going to have C major, which is the tonic. So you're going to go supertonic, dominant, and tonic again. And then you're going to have the same ending that you did before, which is E minor and F major 7. So let's listen to that again and let's play it together. Transition 2, 5, 1. E minor, F major 7. Then you have but I wanna try. Right? Then it continues the same way, the same structure. So I think I forgot how to be happy. Something I'm not, but something I can be. Something I wait for. Something I'm made for. And then here,
Something I'm made for.
so the last chords are A minor, G major, F major, E minor, and D. So basically you have the A minor structure and you move it down and down and down all the way to the D. No black keys or white. Right? So it goes like that after you something I made for. Right? You move the left hand from A, G, F, E, and D. Something I'm made for. And then you end openly with the dominant G major. This is so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you in the next. Let me know if there's any other chords of any other popular song or jazz song or classical music you would like me to review. See you in the next one.